Working on a Branson 4520C cab tractor. Yesterday he came up and was saying he couldn't push the clutch down no more. It wouldn't engage. That's one. Spring broke from that top rod right there and gets in between the stop bolt for the clutch and the stop bolt weld on here. So just pulled that cover off, like 6/8 screws. So maybe that'll help some of y'all if you're pushing your clutch on your Branson and it won't go all the way down like that. You can't see that broke spring with the cover still on. With all the dash on, you can't see that it's broken, dangling there and getting stuck in between there and there. But now it's fixed. Easy fix. We'll put the dash back together and it'll be rolling again.